Everyone listening with Us versus Herd, welcome back. Happy Monday. Let's get it. If you're here right now, drop a comment, drop a like. Definitely appreciate it. Gonna get things, get things popping over here. I'm gonna try to get my screens all set up here real quick. Things aren't necessarily to my liking right now. Yeah, pop this up over here. Testing out a new microphone. What do you guys think? What do you think about the new microphone? Good, bad, not good? I don't know. I think I might need to get a different stand. It's kind of like, or maybe I should get like something that clips to the desk that comes over. It's kind of like in the way here. It's like, you know. What's going on, Jeff? So again, we're doing the 1K. We're doing the 1K challenge. Just going to see if we can spot some good opportunities over the weekend. Not a whole lot happened in America. There was, obviously, crypto was rallying, and then we had the whole thing in Afghanistan. So let's push up some charts here, see what we're looking at. So we don't really have a whole lot going on right now. Right now, the S&Ps are down 14, Dow's down 107, NASDAQ down 43. So I'm just looking for two good trades to see what we can do with. She's a beauty. Just trying to get. Had a kind of a rough night with my daughter, so I'm trying to try to get going here. So last Friday, Microsoft was really doing some numbers. Broke out to all-time highs. Facebook broke up too, but then we sold off here. Actually, yeah, it sold off a couple bucks, but now it's gapping down. Tesla. Some news out on Tesla today. So, U.S. agency opens formal probe into Tesla autopilot system, which is, Tesla's gapping down about 12 points right now. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration announced the action Monday in a posting on its website. Agency says it identified 11 crashes since 2018 in which Teslas on autopilot or traffic-aware cruise control have hit vehicles with flashing lights, flares, and illuminated arrow board or cones, warning of hazard. So, I don't really know what this means or if it's going to have any impact. I mean, there's 11 crashes in 3 years. So, I guess we'll see. Yeah, autopilot has been frequently misused by Tesla drivers who've been caught driving drunk or even riding in the back seat while a car rolled down a California highway. Yeah, I don't understand. I don't understand people that do that kind of stuff. Like, like why would you have your car on autopilot knowing it's kind of like beta and then getting in the back seat going, whatever. And then you die, because you're supposed to have your hands on the wheel. But I guess in terms of Tesla, they should make sure your hands are on the wheel while it's operating in autopilot, just in case. Because it's not like full autopilot. So again, Tesla at the forefront of controversy, but nothing new there because When you have new technology and our laws and everything is not built around this new technology, most laws are reactions to current environments. And EV, autopilot, AI, we don't really have any laws to protect the everyday person for that. And why do you think we have the Fed and all these administrations and for airlines and cars and, it's because they're reacting because something bad happened. you know. So Tesla right now, yeah, I mean it's been getting bought like sub 700 over the last week. You know, it dipped twice, sub 700 got bought. Be interesting if it dips 700 a day. If it's gonna, I mean, I don't think this news is gonna really impact it that much. I mean, I guess we'll see. I'm still having issues. Still got this like cough, congestion. I don't know. I don't know. I wish I did know. So I'm not really loving that. I mean, SPY, if you look, SPY hit all-time highs. I mean, we could use a little bit of a pullback here, but it looks like, you know, SPY is looking to break out a little bit here. You know, we were consolidating for a few days or even a week, and then last week we started to slowly kind of grind up. You know, the slow grind up is definitely difficult because it's not that necessarily that you're wrong, but for like day trading, and right now in terms of what I'm trying to do with the 1K challenge account is just pop in a couple day trades. Again, I'm just looking for 2 winning trades, and then I'm out. Don't be greedy. And last week was a struggle. Qs don't look as good, so maybe I'll trade SPY if it's looking like it wants to move over Qs. Apple was decent last week, but it couldn't break 150. I thought it was gonna run 150, and then it failed. I traded it on Friday. I sold this double top up here and I got out. I said, screw that. You know? All right, market's opening in 4 minutes here. So right now, the 1K account year to date up 3.6%. So last week I made 3.6% after fees. I'm up 2.3%. So I only made $23 last week on the 1K. There's just not a lot of opportunity, and you know, I traded really, really defensive and really, really safe, and I definitely glad I did, because if I didn't, I feel like I could have possibly had a red week, because everything that I was holding didn't go well, you know. But the one trade that I did, since I can't swing trade, so one of my rules also no swing trading in this account, and I was holding on my first trade. The only trade that I lost last week, I bought the 200 strike puts on Nvidia, and the next day Nvidia took a dump. So I definitely wish I would have held those. But gotta stick to the rules. Stick to the rules. I know it's hard, especially like when you see an opportunity, like, oh, that'd be good for a swing trade, or this would be good for this, or this would be good for that. But like during this challenge, I want to set very, very, very strict rules and not break them, and show you what the outcome is of having those strict rules and not breaking them. Because when we break them, at least for me, when I break my rules, that's when it costs me money. Like when you start getting like, oh, maybe I'll just do this or do that, get a little bit, let your guard down a little bit, bam, they come and take your account. Yo, CW, what's going on? If you're just joining, say what's up. It's up in the chat. Let's see what Facebook, what do you want to do today? Facebook looks like it wants to pop up here before open. So I'm definitely interested in Facebook. AMD is interesting as well. Let's see if we could hold it. I don't really. The thing is, I don't really want to short AMD. I'm not saying it's a short right now, but if it doesn't go up, it's probably going to go down. But this looks, you know, had a nice break to the upside here. On Friday, the question is, can it hold? Can it hold? Right now, I mean, you know, we're down a little bit, but mostly just kind of chilling right now in the overall market. I mean, if you look at the last 5 days here on futures, I mean, we're just pinging back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I mean, nothing really to see here. I mean, on Nasdaq, if we look at S&Ps. S&Ps definitely look better. We had a nice just push up. So Nasdaq may be more predictable. S&P may be more upside. Yo, J-Cam, what's going on? Derek, how you doing? Wish looks like it wants to drop another 5%. Not great. Surprised it dropped so much. All right, IWM. IWM looks scary. 217 support down here. 217. I don't know. Is it? What's it doing? Is it just consolidating here? Or is it? Guess we're gonna find out. Our market's about to open here. All right, only good trades only. Good day trades only. Market just opened up. So we're looking for some good, solid trades. All right, so market bouncing a little bit here. Facebook's bouncing. In this type of scenario, like lately, I've just been very patient at open because when we're having these inside days where we're just pinging back and forth, it could easily reverse right at open. Or if it's open, like, you know, if you're looking at Qs right now, I mean, it's not doing anything. It's like choose a direction. Like, you don't want to get stuck. Again with the Thinkorswim lag at open. My goodness. It's horrible. Like, I feel like I'm... Sure, can you capture these moves? Sure you could, but I'm not gonna try. You know, I'm not gonna try to Nvidia's moving. So right now I'm meeting Nvidia. I mean, I made some money last week, but I haven't been trading Nvidia great, I would say. Ooh, Apple's taking off. I'm gonna be patient here. Yeah, Facebook is pushing to the upside. Yo, what's our boy Boeing doing right now? No bounce. No bounce. I wanted to bounce on Boeing like we'd had on Friday and on Thursday to short. I don't think today we're going to get it. I don't think so. Yeah, Facebook just pop green. Yeah, I'm thinking Boeing is not going to happen. Would have loved to push to 235, 236, short it, but yeah, is Thinkorswim slow mo for you guys too? Like every day it open, like it was working fine, and now, Oof. Alibaba's getting shredded again. Alibaba's going gap down. So it wants to come back up. I mean, I don't think I want to trade China on this stock on this account right now. We need a little bit more cushion. When we get to $2,000 on the account, we'll have a little bit more leeway, I would say, for risk, but what are you guys trading? Apple push green. So tech's looking pretty strong. No lie. I gotta get a little more comfortable here. Yeah, Apple's ripping out the gate here. I want to see if it can make a 150 break. VXX is waking up. VXX up 3%. VIX is up. It's going to be an interesting day. Oof. Maybe short pen. Yeah, pen looks like a decent short under the 10-day here if it could drop. Could get bought up. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I mean, Facebook right here, definitely looking bullish. I mean, this could definitely pop 370. Yeah, Dow's dropping too. NASDAQ is holding. Got a little bit of mixed signals right now. I'll look at NEO. Yeah, NEO's 38, down 6% already. Oh, jeez. I don't know. Yeah, Tesla's at 701. Nvidia popped back down. See, this is what I mean. This is what I'm trying to avoid. I'm trying to avoid the traps. It's better just to take your time. Take your time. I only have to be right twice. Look. Man, Nvidia getting smoked. Yeah, I'm not like when you see price action like this, it's gonna wait for a good setup. I mean, I don't like how the VIX and VXX are blasting off into infinity right now. You know, like VIX up 12%, VXX up almost 4% now. Be patient. It's gonna be patient. Yeah, Boeing is sub 230. Maybe try to catch an intraday bounce or something on Boeing. It's a short, we'll see. We'll see. But right now, I mean, tech is looking pretty strong. Everything else I mean, China stocks are weak. Lyft got clobbered. What are these COVID fears? Zoom. Let's see what Zoom is doing. Man, this lag is horrible in Thinkorswim. Like I literally can't even type. Zoom's getting shredded. Maybe are you guys experiencing this kind of lag, or is it just me? I might try to restart my platform. All right, Apple's pushing Apple tag 150 right now. Tag 150 on to the penny. Yeah, like ever since Derek, ever since like last week, I've just been Apple is ripping. AMD's coming down a little bit. ARK getting hurt. Banks are down pretty decent. JP Morgan's down 2% almost. Bank of America is down 2%. Goldman Sachs down 7%. Down 2%. Oh, maybe I'm gonna try to maybe I'm gonna try to restart Thinkorswim. Hold on, let me try to restart Thinkorswim here because this is. Hold on a second. I'm going to try to restart Thinkorswim and see if, because this lag, as soon as the market opened, this lag is just killing me. Let's close some Chrome tabs. What else we got? Okay. Let's try to reopen Thinkorswim. All right, I'm just restarting my platform. Hold on. Walmart's been pinning between 150 and 149. Yeah, I mean, Walmart's a tough trade. It doesn't move like most any other stocks I've ever traded, you know? Okay, let's see here. Okay. All right, and we're back. Let's check out Walmart. Let's see if this is moving better. Okay, I think that's moving a lot better now. I don't know. For some reason, like at market open, it slows me down a lot. And then yeah, I mean, Walmart. if I know anything about Walmart, it usually disappoints. You know, like. Let's see what our boy AMC's dropping. I'm not seeing like a whole lot of trades I'm in love with here. Like there's not. Man, Netflix got hit. I'm just checking out some of these big boys here. Amazon. Man, Amazon's hanging on to the 200-day moving average like its life depended on it. It went under it on, was it 3 days ago? Dang. I don't know. Today might be the day. It's really trying to hold on. As you can see here, it's hanging on. All right, Tesla sub 700, 698. Oh. Okay, so doesn't bounce here. I mean, it's gonna be feeling some pain. We're gonna be feeling some pain here. So if I get into levels where selling puts looks attractive, yeah, what's going on? They had earnings, man. They're getting shredded. They had that nice bump right before earnings too, you know. See, Apple and Microsoft really. I mean, Microsoft. I didn't really want to trade Microsoft today, but I mean, it does look good. I mean, Microsoft. I mean, look at this. Some guy right now, some guy right here is like, see, when I buy it, it goes red. I always get those messages. How come whenever I buy, it goes red? Shouldn't make fun of them. We've all been there. Some of us are there, you know. Man, Kathy is having a bad day. Down from 122 rejection last week. Yeah, I think we could overall be in some trouble here. I mean, if Nasdaq gives right now, it's kind of holding on, but if Nasdaq gives. But again, I mean, Nasdaq. I mean, we're in this. I mean, if you look at it here, why isn't this working? Why can't I draw? Nothing's working. Must be Monday. Must be Monday. All right. Well, as you can see here, we're testing the ranges on Nasdaq is what I wanted to show. Facebook didn't hold. Let's see here. Can I short AMC? Oh, Tesla's getting real shredded right now. Can I short this? Should I short this? The answer might be no. Option pricing is not bad. Option pricing, I mean, it's not bad on these puts here. I mean, if I grab like the 32s, like the 32s right now, I'm going for 120. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see if we can. AMC looks kind of strong. I think it could pop down to 32 though. Sorry guys, I'm just thinking. What I'm trying to do here. It's not the best. It's not the best setup here. Nasdaq's getting crushed right now. All right, I'll try to short AMC. Kind of I'm just not getting like the fills I want. Oh, they just filled it. All right, I just got an AMC, I guess. Just got an AMC. I'm in the 32 strike puts right now. So see if we can get a break here. Need to get a break. Push down to like 32.50 would be good. Not be too greedy. See if we can get a break here. It is above the 10-day moving average. Not my favorite, but set a stop for like 33.60, 33.50 area. Yeah, NASDAQ is getting wrecked. NASDAQ is getting the clap. All right, if this doesn't break here, we're gonna. Come on, break it. Yeah, Apple dropped, Tesla dropped. Come on, AMC. Break it. Break it. Make it run to 32.50, and we will call it a day on this trade. Yeah, NASDAQ. I should have shorted the Q. I didn't want to short the Qs, though. I didn't want to short the Qs because of the strength, but... Whew. I mean, like... Dang, bro. All right, can we break this here? Looks like we might. Looks like we might. Come on, baby. All right, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sell 10%. Okay. Or sell 10%. Sell 10% if we can get it. Yeah, NASDAQ. Wow. NASDAQ just dropped 100 points. Of course, the short that I'm in is just like really milking it right now. Yeah, Facebook dropped 4 points. Can we just get one little flush on AMC, please, so I could get out of this trade? Netflix is up. Roku's down. I can't believe that flushed right now. So right now, needed to break 32.56 ideally on AMC. Just need to drop another 50 points or 50 cents. Sorry, not points. 50 points. That'd be negative. You know. Yeah, ARC's at 116. I don't know if AMC is going to do it. I did get in a little late. I didn't get my first fill on the option. The options just changed so much. Let's see if we can pull it off. Come on, baby. And they like to buy down in here today. I think I'm getting out. All right, I got out. Only made like 4%. I don't like this. I mean, it could bust through, but I don't want to take any losses right now. Made a very, very small gain. Made like 4% on this. I don't like that. I don't like that it's trying. There's buyers down here, and I'm trying to short. So we'll kind of count this one as break even. Maybe we'll see. Let's close it out. Like if you start feeling uncomfortable about a trade, just close it out. Like if you're starting to get uncomfortable, like I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. I could make money, lose money. Just close it out. Just close it out. I mean, it might flush down, but I was not liking these candles here. I mean, it'll probably drop, but you have to manage your risk. Like this could have easily popped back up to 33.50. I could be down money. I'm not trying to take any L's on a Monday. I can get back in. I was hoping it would bounce up to 33.20 here, but it just doesn't seem. It doesn't. I don't like. I don't like that it's just sitting here at 33. Everything else is dropping. I think there's better opportunities. Could have shorted Boeing at 230 where it went. Next stop here, 225 area test. So AMC, I mean, why are people buying it here? Doesn't want to break. If we can get if AMC can get another push up here, rejection, I'll try to short it again. PLTR. Yeah, Facebook looks like it wants to. I'm not gonna buy this though. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, Q short would have been good. All right, so just made a couple bucks on AMC, so I need to get another trade in here. I mean, Apple looks. I mean, Facebook and Apple have the exact same chart today. But it's kind of dicey. It's kind of dicey, guys. How are you guys feeling about the market right now? I feel like we could pump. We could just sit here. Or this could be a face bounce because now you got like what you have like on the 1 minute chart here. You have like a bear flag set up here, so this is interesting. This will be interesting. Be interesting to see if Facebook and Apple develop a bear flag and then rip lower, or if this is a recovery. That's my question right now. But yeah, if you're not feeling comfortable in a trade, like just get out. If you're not feeling comfortable about a trade, get out. Feels bad, man. What happened? Daniel, what happened, bro? I mean, the object of the game here is for this account to stay green, you know. And I was in profit, and I didn't like that I was the resistance that I was getting. Like, oh, you only made $8. Yes, but I didn't lose. I didn't lose money here when I could have lost money. Microsoft doesn't look good. Potential double top here, 293 on the 5-minute. I think I might go grab some more. I might go grab some more coffee while. Like I said, I had a rough night. DKNG got down 3%, bro. Boeing's looking for a little relief right now, getting close to the 200-day. So you don't really want to short. You know, you don't really want to short Boeing after it drops so much, and we're heading directly to the 200-day. Because if you look here, was this August 3rd? Drop right down, 221, bounce back up, close at 229. That was crazy. I do wish I had some like swing positions on, because that definitely would have paid today. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go refill my coffee. I'm gonna see kind of where these charts head up. We got some potential bear flags setting up here, so we'll see what happens. I will be right back. There's that leg down on AMC that I was looking for. The one thing like that I noticed over the last week or so, even though we're dropping like the choppiness of it, it definitely makes you kind of like second guess yourself, you know? See, maybe get back into AMC. Let's see. So do you guys think that the AMC trade it just did? I mean, it was 5%. Does it count as a win? Or am I trying to bend the rules? Or does it count as break even? What do you guys think? Is anything 5% or less a break even trade? I guess that's what I'm asking. J-Cam, you stay green, bro. You know, nothing wrong with staying green. I mean, I'll be honest with you. The trading right now, like if you're making money, like J-Cam, if you're green in this environment, bro, like you're doing good. You're set up to have a long. Okay, I'm not gonna trade AMC. I'm not gonna trade it. Like this stuff right now, last week and today, I know we're getting some big movements, but it's not easy to read. It's not easy to see what's going to happen. We're getting a lot of mixed reactions. I mean, a lot of people got trapped here on Facebook, Apple, Microsoft. They got slammed right now. You know, and the next thing you know, what they've been doing is they've been making you chase. And I've been trying to control myself not to chase. Like look, they broke AMC lower right down in here, and now they push it back up to 33. They pushed Facebook up. Now are they going to have a leg down? Anything less than 5% break even? All right, Derek. I like the way you think, bro. I'm just saying, it's like, you know, because I hopped in, hopped out. I mean, it was a gain, but I think you could go anything 5% or less. Anything 5% or less for win or loss. Nasdaq's trying to go sub 15K is a break-even trade. Yo, AMD gave up its whole gain on Friday. Wow. I don't want to short Facebook. I don't want to short it. Like you... I don't want to short Facebook. But I just kind of feel like that's where the opportunity is right now. Are you guys long or short right now? Okay, Boeing came back up to 230. Boeing's back up 230. I'm gonna see what happens here. Boeing came back up. Boeing, you're a tricky one, Boeing. Thing is, like, option pricing, like, I don't want to exceed 20 to 30% of my account. So I could buy one. I guess I could buy like two of the 225s here. Yo, NASDAQ is getting hammered right now. I think I want to short Boeing here. They're buying this. What were these options here? These were just up to 240, came down to 141, opened up a buck. Because Dow's pushing higher. I mean, Dow like did a full recovery just here. You guys see this? This is the Dow right now. Wow. Dow just did a full recovery. Boeing's following. Not as strong though. Look at AMC. AMC, look at that epic bounce. That's what I was worried about on AMC there was they took it another leg. They took it another leg lower. All right, I'm all right, I only did one contract. Shoot, I only did one Boeing contract. So I shorted Boeing here. Maybe if it pops up another one, I'll short another one here. Well, I bought one put. It cost me, let's see here. Let's bring up today's trade. So 153. I'll try to buy one more here. We'll see here. But Boeing might want to try to make a run for 230. Okay, so I'm gonna make I'll try to short one more contract here. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Right now, I have two Boeing 225 puts. I bought one for 153, one for 139. See if we can get a break here. 229.30. Just trying, man, Nasdaq. Can't believe that, but Dow pushed all the way back up. Got rejected though, so that's why I'm going into. Got rejected here, so I'm going to try to go back into Boeing. See if we get a push lower on Boeing here. Yo, Red Dust, what's going on? Yeah, this has not been an easy trading. Hey, green guys, like if you don't see opportunity and you don't want to trade, just leave. It's okay. Like we don't have to trade. We don't have to be here. So I'm hoping this is a double top here. Double top situation. Come back down to the lows. I would really love. I haven't had a really solid trade in this challenge yet. I've just been kind of scalping and stuff, and it's been Not that it's been feeling bad. It's just like, you know. Yo, Facebook got hit. I'm glad I got out of AMC, because that would have pissed me off. But it does look like another short entry here on AMC here. If it tops out here again. All right. Oh, I'm currently up 5%, 5.5%, 6% on this Boeing. All right. Come down. All right, I'm up 10% on one contract. Or on both contracts, actually. So these are going for $1.60 right now. Again, I bought one for $1.53, one for $1.39. Come on. Just make it run to 228. I'll close the whole position and call it a day. I'm Boeing, at least. I can't believe that recovery on the Dow. I mean, that was thick. All right, so come on. Need one more candle here. Okay, so I'm up 15%. I'm going to close one right now at 15%. All right, close one. 15% locked it in. Currently up 20%. Up 25% right now. So current position right now. All right, make a push to 228. I'm gonna get out. I'm up 30%. I'm just gonna get out. All right, clean trade. Okay. Okay, so far this is my unfortunately my biggest trade on this account so far, but I mean this is good. I mean, I was up, closed one out for, so I bought one at 153, closed at $1.72, bought one at 139, closed at $1.80. So this is a good win. It's a good win right here. So count staying green. Overall count right now is up 8%. Again, we're on a small account here, so we have to make good decisions. Okay, so if you guys are saying technically I got one more trade in me, if we're counting AMC as a break even. Yo, I really hope this cough goes away. So if we're counting AMC as a break even, yeah, that Boeing trade was legit. Boeing trade was legit right there. Those premiums, and that's like, those premiums were really inflating as it was dropping. So like, if you can get the premiums to inflate as it's going your direction, like, you don't need it to go. Like, it's better to sell the higher premiums. Look at this. Look at this on the AMC here. It's better to sell the higher premiums, even if it doesn't hit your target. Like, I wanted to hit 228, but now, I mean, those premiums are getting crushed a little bit because it's not going down. It's not going down as fast, right? Yo, see what I mean about not being comfortable in the trade? And they almost baited me again here on this drop. And look what they did. So, again, if you're not feeling comfortable in a trade, like, don't go in the trade here. But right now, two for two. Currently up 68 on the day. So after fees, currently up 8%. So I'll see if there's another opportunity, but I'm not going to force a trade here. Currently 2 for 2, but the first one was kind of weak. But I mean, I'm pretty sure this is going to come down. But what I also like, one thing that you'll notice with me, like as watching me trade, I don't like to like trade back to back like that. I don't like to win and then get right back in, win and then get right back. I don't like doing that, because when I've done that in the past, like it's just not. You win, move on to the next one. Hood, yo, Robinhood. I haven't even looked at. Yeah, 6.5. Let's see, Robinhood. Yeah, I mean, I think Robinhood. I mean, it's dropped 6%. These are only up 70%, 60%. You know, so like the premium really rich in here, but it doesn't look good. I mean, if you bought the 35 calls as like a lotto, going for like 15 cents. I'm not saying the lotto is not investment advice, but if you wanted to play, could be. Okay, so we're about an hour in. Had one good trade, one flat trade. See if we can spot another opportunity here. Yo, I wasn't even watching. Tesla went down to 683. Wow. Tesla went straight in the gutter, bro. Straight in the gutter. How's the sound quality? Because I'm testing out a new mic. Let me know what you guys think. Does it sound good? Not good? I also got had this thing for like, you know, if you want, but it was like, you know, how much you want to do here. I might just get one of those things that go over it, you know, because it's like everything's like blocking my face and I can't see the screens because my screen is right behind here. I mean, I guess I could raise my screen up, but yeah, Tesla. All right, looks like Boeing's going to be hitting those targets here. Okay, so as you can see, Boeing's 228.83. And if I would have waited, would have increased my risk. Right now, those are only going for 6 cents more. So I sold at $1.80 that last contract. Now the last price is only going for $1.86 right now. So like, did I really want to increase my risk for an extra $6? You know, like when I start seeing the premium start to inflate, like even if it doesn't hit my target, I just go. That's not as good. Okay, cool. Premiums on BA, as you can see here, now are starting to increase. Now they're at $1.96, even though it's only 10 cents lower from where it was. Looks like they're anticipating a drop. And you can kind of see, like, if you're in a position and you start seeing like the premium start to increase, even though it's really not moving, the market is going to be anticipating going your direction, and then vice versa. If your premiums are starting to get dried up, if you're sitting in a position and the stock's not moving that much and the premium's starting to get dried up, you know you're in a bad situation. That's what was going to happen to AMC. And then look what happened to those AMC puts. AMC puts got fried. I mean, I could have been in a bad situation here. You know, instead of making $8, I could have been down. I bought those for 30. They're going for $1 now. I bought them for $1.32. I could have been down like $70. Like, so this, you know, trading naked options is no game. You don't want to play with it. Like this is not a game. But yeah, it felt good to hit that Boeing trade. And actually, the mistake of not buying 2 actually worked out way better. You know, because you make $60 or you make $100 on a $1,000 account, you're making 6% on your overall account, 10% on your overall account. You know, it's not bad. I think like with a small account, like one of the things that I want to highlight here is there's so many people with a small account that they expected to turn it into $50,000. But like when you have a small account, it really is a grind. It is a grind. And you know, your experience may not be the same as somebody else's and vice versa. I mean, there's other people that are more experienced than me. There's other people that are more experienced than you. You know, so they're able to do different things with the amount of money that they have, right? Some people are like, oh yeah, I'll take this $1,000 and I'll YOLO it into Amazon and you know, turn this 1,000 to 5,000. Sure, you could do that. But for the average person, like if you have $1,000 account or less, even a $2,000 account, very small account, you can't handle that much risk. That's why I just wanted to highlight, like through this challenge process, I want to highlight the grind. And just stack wins. That's all I've been doing. So far in this whole challenge, I've lost 1 trade. Stack your wins. They'll add up. It's hard work. All right. I'm not gonna go back into AMC because I almost got fried. But looks like the market wants to take another leg down. At least on Boeing here. I'm gonna have to take something for my chest. I'd be afraid to do anything other than cover calls on a $9 stock. I mean, I got out with. Well, it looks like Nasdaq's trying to reverse here. Nasdaq's trying to reverse. Man, VXX up 3% still, so not climbing, and then VIX is still, so it kind of getting topped out here like 1770, 1750. Can we get a bounce? On days like today, though, you want to be very careful about buying the dip. Because you got a lot of people that are trapped. I mean, look at today, right? Trapped up here. They really baited them. They broke 364. Facebook pushed to 366. People were buying. Dropped it. Market's a scam. The market's a scam. Just gotta be careful, man. You just gotta be careful. Just like relax. Like, do I let a lot of opportunities pass by? Yes. I just try to focus on the one. Just try to focus on one at a time. Like I don't have a big enough count right now on this challenge to be pushing 5 trades at a time, you know? Nor you really want to. You don't really want to get in the habit of that either, you know? Can we get a bounce? Facebook. But now, after they did what they did, baited people like that, I mean, they baited on Apple. It's kind of a question in your mind, like, how long is the bounce going to last? So you can see here, we're taking stairs up, elevator down. I mean, honestly, might even be done today because of this foolery. See if no push notifications. Nothing happening. Everything's pretty chill. Yeah, I mean we're an hour. We just turned an hour into market open. Might be done. This might be it, guys. Seems like things are kind of like leveling out. Tesla still at the lows, though. This candle, this is a 5-minute candle. That thing's wicked. But yeah, I think that's it for me today, guys. 2 for 2. One was a small trade. One was a 30% winner. I think that's it. So you guys have a good rest of your day. As always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.